Friends, installing laminate floor.
Today.
Look out for these things.
All of them.
Here we go.
So right off the bat, you're going to want to put down a vapor barrier to protect from the moisture coming out of the concrete floor and possibly warping your flooring. Now lay it out and trim off what you need. Not like that. That's better. Okay. Spread it out all the way to the ends. We started at the door frame, so here we got to meet it up. As you can see, slid it under and there was a gap. I had to fix that, so I had to mark it. Oh, what is that? Back it up. There we go. I had to mark it onto my finger. There's a nice little trick. So, once you got it on your finger, copy it on over to the floor. There you go. And then go over, chop it, slide it into place. Good to go. Back at it.
Make sure you got a hammer and ideally the tool to install the floors. But I'm cheap. I don't have the tool, so I got a piece of plastic. That works.
Here's the tool that you can get to install the hardwood flooring. There's nothing wrong with it. It works great. Unless you're installing a lot of these professionally, I don't see the point. A piece of plastic works. I will admit the one benefit to it is if you have some tight spots where it can hook onto the tight corners and then pull it into place. Make sure when you're lining it all up, you don't have little gaps, but it's not difficult. As you can see, my 4-year-old daughter's jumping right in and loving it, dancing all around. Once again, make sure your vapor barrier is nice and flat. Don't want any wrinkles under there. That was my wife saying hi. And once again, this is not difficult. Don't be afraid to do it. Just jump right in and go for it. Now, once you get up to the end, it might be a little bit tricky, but don't worry, just trim it. This can be done with just a regular handheld circular saw as well, but I got a table saw, so I'm going to use it. Don't forget, when you're done, floor angels. Click the next video to learn more.